Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain Laravel tutorials using VS Code. Let's dive right into setting up your development environment for building amazing web applications. We'll cover the initial steps to get a Laravel project running smoothly within VS Code, ensuring you have a solid foundation. We'll also highlight some essential extensions that will significantly enhance your coding experience, making your workflow much more efficient from day one. VS Code offers powerful features that are incredibly beneficial for Laravel development. The integrated terminal allows you to run dozens of artisan commands directly, saving you time. You'll also benefit from intelligent code completion and syntax highlighting, which drastically reduce errors and speed up your coding. Furthermore, integrating Xdebug provides robust debugging capabilities, helping you pinpoint and resolve issues with ease and precision. Optimizing your workflow in VS Code can significantly boost productivity. Mastering keyboard shortcuts and the command palette will allow you to navigate and execute tasks much faster. For those working on several Laravel projects, effective workspace management ensures a clean and organized environment. Additionally, seamless integration with Git for version control is crucial, enabling you to track changes and collaborate effectively with your team members. To truly excel, always adhere to consistent coding standards within your Laravel projects. This improves readability and maintainability for everyone. Leverage the official Laravel documentation, which is an invaluable resource, and engage with the vibrant community forums for support and insights. Continuous learning is key in the ever-evolving world of web development, so keep exploring new tools and techniques to refine your skills and stay ahead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.